Hi friends, welcome back to channel Sai. In this I'm going to do the UFS storage 3.1 read and write speeds comparison between the Realme GT Neo 2 versus Realme GT device. So both phones they do have the UFS storage 3.1, but let's see which phone has got really good high speeds read and write capabilities. That's what my main idea of comparing these both phones. And during this time I'll try to use the two applications, which is Android Benchmark application and Android Bench application as well. Two different applications I'm trying to use. So just to be on safe side, because using one application it's not that reliable. That's the reason I'm trying to use two applications. And both phones are using the same kind of Android Benchmark version, which is 9.1.7. You can clearly see here. Let me know to start the test at same time. And using this Android Benchmark application, you can actually test the read and write speeds clearly and random access as well. That's why I did select this particular application between these both phones. Let's see how much score difference we can actually get. So 58,000 and 51,000 we got in the Realme GT device for some strange reason. I'm not sure why we got this much kind of low speeds, but you can compare side by side. These are the results. So what I can actually do is I'll try to turn on the GT mode. Let's see using GT mode whether it can actually improve any kind of scores or not in using GT mode. So is the GT mode which has been turned on in both phones. Now let me try to start at same time again, 1, 2 and 3. So now we'll be able to get to know what is happening between these both phones. Exactly read and write speeds. So slightly you can see the Realme GT Neo 2 is scored about 57,271. Not bad, very high score. And the Realme GT is taking strangely slightly more time. I'm not sure why, but it's kind of very strange to see this kind of behavior in terms of not having this much high scores. So let me do the multiple time testings. So same Android version I'm trying to use, but still different results I'm getting. Because usually I'll be getting about close to 57,000, 56,000 as well in this Realme GT Neo 2, Realme GT. Sometimes using this application I'm not getting that kind of reliable score. That's the reason I did mention I'll try to use another application, which is an Android Bench application. Let's take a look at the Android Bench application, what is happening in that application, because it's taking a lot of time. There's Android Benchmark application. Sometimes it does like that. So let's see in the Android Bench what's showing. So right now I did enable the GT mode as well between both phones. You can clearly see GT mode is on. Let's try to run the speeds and let's find out here what is going on. So it cannot be coincidence that both applications won't work. This application is working exactly. And first phone to finish the test is the Realme GT and then the Realme GT Neo 2. And sequential read is slightly higher in the GT Neo 2. And sequential write is also slightly higher in the GT Neo 2. And random read is slightly same. Random write is slightly higher in the Realme GT Neo 2. And all the three options in the last is higher in the Realme GT. So this is a quick comparison, friends, between both phones. There's not a huge difference. There's not a huge, only little bit, 20 and 10 Mbps difference is there, 30 and 40, nothing much major differences. That's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video, and this is a quick comparison between both phones. I hope you understand what's my point of comparing. So this is a 3.1 UFS storage 3.1. So that's what I did compare. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video, and let's stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.